thing is insane. What's going on, y'all? My name's Charlie and welcome to Go Fast Nation. Today we're with a buddy of mine. His name is Eddie, and he has a 2016 Shelby GT350. He's going to take us for a ride. First, let's check it out. Alright, well, he's a little camera shy, but he's not scared to drive this thing. Let's check it out. Impressive.
Yeah. Just cruising.
Yeah.
I hate turning there. You gotta like do it quick because
yeah,
you can't see who's coming. It's like you check it as clear, and 2 seconds later, it's not gonna be clear.
yep. Buzzkill. This thing is crazy. I kept expecting the ass end to pop loose. It's like, oh, are we good? Are we? Nope. Okay.
Oh, it's got so much more.
Freaking buzzkills.
Oh, it's all kind of dirty here. Yeah, I want some construction of my fucking right there.
Yeah.
Don't want to be that guy. Did that.
Nope. Oh, look at this moron. Christ. Dumb fucks, man.
Yeah, that's definitely a problem.
This thing is insane. Can't believe how well it hooks the corners. But I mean, hey, that's a road racing car for you. And it takes a road racing driver to drive a road racing car. And he's a little shy, but there he is. Road race car. Road race driver. Yeah, he's got a couple of really well, he's had a couple of really awesome cars. The SN95 race car's in a couple of pieces right now, but it will be coming back, and we will be getting it on the channel whenever it does come back. But you know, stuff it into a tire wall, and don't know how long it'll take, but this thing is nuts. I've never actually been in a GT350 doing its thing. So definitely like to thank my buddy Eddie taking me out in this thing, showing me what it can do. We'd like to say thank you, Eddie, for the experience. And yeah, you liked the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.